Now, how do we solve for t given 5 to the power t equals to minus 1? Now, from here, since taking log on both sides here, okay, will be difficult because of this. We have to change this one. But there is an identity called Euler's, okay, Euler's identity. So it says e raised to I pi plus 1 equal to 0. So if I make this one the subject, equals negative 1. It means in place of negative 1, I can put this one there. So that will make it 5 to the power t equals to e raised to I pi. So from here, I can go ahead and take log on both sides. So let's take log on both sides. Ln of 5 to the power t equals to ln of e raised to I pi. Let's check this. Now from here, this one is a power, this one is a power. And don't forget we have the t. So we have t, 5 equals to I pi ln of e. So t ln of 5 equals to I pi. Remember this one is 1. So we have this. So it's very simple. Let's divide both sides by ln of 5. Ln of 5, this one will go. So my t is straight away I pi on ln of 5. Alright, subscribe for more videos.